Hey, g'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video number 117. And yeah, we got our earnings last night. It is, there we go, 0.45% was the daily trade. So I made $83.36 on the money I've invested. So that has added to the amount here, guys. Just go to my investment page here. So you see now I've made $182.22 on the money I've invested in 2 days that has passed. Actually, 3 days. It'll reset to day three later on today. So 3 days basically. This is what I've made here, guys. And my total earnings that I've made all time is $23,035.20. So I just surpassed 23,000, guys. And my total deposits, this is all the money I have invested that I'm trading with. Well, it's actually this as well as the monthly income. They're added together. But yeah, 24,600 is my principal, and this is what I've made so far. So as you see, guys, here in the structure, getting close to 25,000. 400 bucks away. My principal needs to be 25,000 for me to switch over. So that'll happen probably in the next 2 weeks, guys. I'll be switching over to 25,000. I'll be earning 80% of the trade share that I have. So the trade share being yesterday was 0.45%. I'll get 80% of the profits, and the company will get 20%. So that's coming real soon. And yeah, I'll be getting a lot of messages about people wanting to get into Forex trading. They're not too sure how to do Forex trading. This is actually something for you then, guys, because with this system, you just put your money invested into the Forex system, and the company trades automatically for you. And as you can see, over the last 2.5 years now, because I've been a member since October 2020, so I've made just over 23,000 in profits, guys, just for having my money invested in the Forex market. And the company, of course, is S Group. They're based out of the UK, so everything is done on the UK time and UK markets. But you don't have to worry about that. All you have to worry about is having your money invested in Forex, and the system does it automatically for you guys. So if anybody out there that does Forex trading and they're really stressed out trying to figure out the markets, the graphs, and everything, this system and this company is great for you because it'll do it automatically for you, as I mentioned. What you can do when you do join, you basically come in and you can invest your money in any of these different tiers that they have here. When you do start, which is what I did, I put a couple $100. So I was at the 50-50 tiers. So for every day trade, you get 50% of the profit, and the company gets 50%. If you invest anywhere from $100 to $499, and then the next tier would be if you invest anywhere from $500 to $1499, you get 60% of the day trade, and the company gets 40%. And yeah, it goes on and on and on, guys. As you see, I'm currently at this level, and I'm 400 bucks away from the second highest tiers. So, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be getting 80% of the day trade, and they're going to get 20%. So, I just want to give you guys a brief overview because I know there's people that have been asking how it works. You can invest your money, and then when you do get to the point where you do want to start doing withdrawals, you just go to the finance tab here. There's a withdrawal tab, and you enter in your amount you want to withdraw, and you enter in your wallet address, which is in S Wallet, which is another website they have you. They give you a digital wallet, so you transfer it to your S Wallet, and then from there you can transfer it to your bank account or any other where that you want to take your funds to. It's really up to you. This is the section, yeah, if you want to make an investment. So say like you have some money, you invest it, you put some money into this S Group to invest. You just click on whatever tier you want to get into, you hit select plan, you type in the amount of money, and then you make the investment. And then in 2 days, it starts earning on the Forex market for you. So yeah, guys, so I just want to give you this 5-minute daily review video. Things are moving along real smoothly. Today is Friday, so we're going to make money today. Later on tonight, we always earn at 8 p.m. Central Time. And yeah, if you're interested in joining S Group, click on the sign up link down below this video. You can join my team, and my email's in the description as well. If you have any further questions, shoot me an email. And also, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below so you can subscribe to my channel, and the subscribe button as well, rather, so you can subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, take care and see you in the next video.